I feel lucky in school because I get the nicer teachers.
Dito.
It's hot.
Kasi, yeah, try.
Try, wash your hands first. And then drink it. Wow.
That's nice.
Oh.
Refreshing.
Hello, we're from London.
London, yeah, with British accent, London.
This is my daughter Eloise.
So welcome.
Hi, and this is my daughter, Eliana.
Hello, Eliana.
Say hello.
Say hello to the world.
Yeah. Hi.
Okay, how do you find Switzerland?
So far, I'd say it's hot.
It's hot. Yeah,
Like really hot.
really hot.
Even in like our hotel, it's still hot.
Okay, you like in London?
Yeah, because it's balanced.
At balance, no.
From Colmar, France,
Mhm.
and then we took the train to Basel.
Mhm.
But we arrived in Paris, and then from Paris to Colmar,
Mhm.
and then now Colmar to Basel.
Colmar, nakita niyo yung yung amazing village.
Yes.
Yes, maganda doon paggabi.
So pretty.
Sobrang ganda.
We stayed in Colmar.
We stayed in Colmar for
We
2
stayed in
nights.
Colmar
Mm.
for 2 nights.
Anong impression mo sa
What's
bansang
your
ito?
impression of Switzerland?
It's very pretty and it's quite hot right now. I'm boiling.
Alright. So sige, mula mga ilang araw kayo?
2 nights.
Ah, 2
Then
nights.
Tomorrow we're gonna go to Interlaken
Mhm.
to explore Interlaken,
Mhm.
and then we're gonna go back to London on Friday evening.
Mhm.
Just a quick stop.
Yeah, just a quick visit to.
Okay. So sa London ang naka-base kayo, 'di ba? So okay lang ba malaman paano tayo nakarating doon?
I came as a teenager. My mom,
Mhm.
petition ba?
Oo.
Petition ako ng mother ko with my brother.
Mhm.
So I was a teenager when I arrived in England,
Mhm.
and then had a family as well, and then
Nagka-baby.
like a baby, 2 babies, 2 girls. This is my youngest,
Mhm. Pero ang asawa natin ay
Pinoy.
Pinoy. Okay.
I met my husband in Maldives.
Oh,
Yes,
ibang
because I was
klase.
working in Maldives.
Mhm.
And yeah, so that's the reason why I'm in London.
Mhm.
And I got this girl, and I have a boy which is 15, same as age with Eloise.
Yes. So magandang experience niya. Tayo mga Pilipino kung saan-saan.
Probably more relaxed in Switzerland,
Oh, really?
because in England everyone is so busy rushing around to and from work,
Mhm.
and it's just that we just have a busy life in England.
Mhm.
And over here it's more relaxed, and wala yung nagmamadali, walang ano ba, yung
I don't know. I can't tell the difference because it's my first time. However, by the look with the all you
I find it
chose
more
photos
relaxing.
and everything,
Mhm.
I think it's more like breezier. I
Dito?
think yes,
Mhm.
yeah, and people relaxing rather than in UK. It's quite expensive here
Yeah.
compared to London.
Mhm.
However, it's quite laid back, relaxed,
Yeah.
and obviously you've been surrounded by nature. More likely similar in England, but it's a bit like relaxed.
Yeah.
I think
They're
so.
more laid
Especially
back.
when you are in London, it's so different.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can see that it's like New York.
Yeah, true. Pinagkakabalahan.
like job.
Mhm.
I am a teaching assistant in a school, so I work with children,
Mhm.
and tulungan mo lang sila if they don't know how to do their work, so you help them with their work, or help them with kung ano yung kailangan nilang
Mhm.
malaman, do you help them? Parang teaching, tinutulungan mo lang sila with their school activities.
I work part-time, but most likely I've been into hospitality industry.
Mhm.
But most likely I'm busy with my kids.
Yeah. Maganda.
How you find school in UK?
Yeah, how?
I think most of it,
You look at Kuya.
most of the time, I feel lucky in school because I get the nicer teachers.
Mhm.
Plus, I was also really lucky because in year 1 I had like a teaching assistant, 2 teaching assistants, and one of them was a lady, and her name was Mrs. Allen, and I got her in year 3 again, and she's really nice.
Nice one. Akong naluma ngayon kasi English, British accent. And how about you?
She's in high school.
High school.
Yeah, I'm going into year 10, so it's going to get harder, but school's quite good in the UK. It's very nice.
Hanggang high school?
Yes.
Free?
Up to 18 years old.
18 years
Up
old.
to 18 years
So,
old.
ibig sabihin, second year. Ay, hindi ko alam ang
No,
education
because
system.
in England,
Uh-huh.
high school is up to year 11, which is when they're 16 years old.
It's like college.
And then they do sixth form, which is college. They do 2 years of college. So when they're 18 or 19, that's when they go to university. And up to 18 years old, education is free.
Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda
Yeah.
naman. Kasi dito sa Switzerland, yung mga young generation dito, pagdating ng high school,
Yeah,
they have the option to vocational.
vocation.
Then-
I think they offer as well in
They-
UK.
they do,
have
they do,
vocational
they
as
do
well.
have yeah.
So you have a freedom to either go
Yeah.
in a proper school or something just short.
Like going to
Short term.
university.
University is not for everyone, so you can choose to go.
Or not. Oh, yeah.
You can choose to do a 2-year course in a college, or you can go to university. But
Yeah.
university is not for everyone. Everyone has their own choice.
Yeah,
So
like
it's up
yeah.
to you what you want to do in life.
Marami yan dito. Kasi pwede kayo uminom
Is that
dyan.
drinkable?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah,
Potable.
yeah, you can drink the water.
Yeah, you can try.
You can drink. You want to try?
Yeah. Yeah, try.
Try. Wash your hands first. And then drink it. Wow.
That's nice.
Ooh.
Good. Be careful with the water.
Drink more.
Then you can drink more. You wanna try
But it's
more?
too far. Ah, and the problem is too far.
Okay.
Oh, di ba? Refreshing.
Good.
Yeah. There's a honeybee right next to me.
Rush water.
Refreshing.
Potable ang water dito.
Wow.
Yun ang maganda dito sa bansang ito. Alam mo, ito yung mall na dyan lang ako nakakapamili na kasya sa akin.
This one?
Yes. Kasi,
Looking forward is to buy chocolate. Lint or
mahal sa Lin.
mahal sa lint. But you can buy same lard.
Oh, quality.
Shall we go there?
Gusto niyo pumunta roon?
Then the other tourist is gonna get on. They're gonna get off and they're gonna get on and then they're gonna go on the other side.
Pero baka less than pa nga eh. Kasi hindi naman masyadong malayo yung pupunta.
Closer and see the.
Wow.
You can feel the currency. Currency. The ripple.
The current. Current is strong. Di ba yung mga iba, kuya, sabi nila, kung papasok sila sa trabaho, magpo-floating lang sila, tapos pauwi sila.